Hey folks, Adam here, and I gotta tell you, AMYET's G60 is a beautiful bike with 1500 watts of peak power. This thing's an absolute beast. I love it. 20 amps running through this thing, and it's absolutely fantastic. So I'm gonna ask my editor to go ahead and overlay some riding footage because I love the way this looks. I love the way it rides with its 20-inch tires, with its 4-inch wide fat tires, with this great brand. It's lightweight, and it's got some very impressive shocks that make off-roading a breeze. This is a perfect bike for mountain biking. It's a perfect bike for dirt. It's a perfect bike for me, and it'll be a perfect bike for you. Let's go ahead and check it out. We're gonna show you all about it. We're going to kick it off right about now. So let's start with an overview. The G60 has peak 1500 watt performance. This has 20-inch fat tires. It's an e-mountain bike, 48 volt, 20 amp, 32 miles an hour for adults, and has a full suspension. This thing is incredible. So let's go ahead and now walk you through the bike itself. Now on the back side, they've given you a great mud deflector. So if you're dealing with muddy situations, you're good to go without a word to say. This is going to keep your backside dry. 20-inch tires. They've done a good brand here, and 4 inches wide with big knobby tires is going to make it safe and convenient for off-roading just about anywhere. Now, the chain, we haven't had any problems with the chain slipping off or anything. They've just used a high-quality chain, and for anyone new to e-bikes, you can see the motor is built right in here. And then the caliper brakes, they are on the other side to give you a high quality rear brake that is adjustable and performance based. Now I do like that they've given you a wide kickstand to where you never have to worry about it falling over on rough terrain dirt or in your garage onto your vehicle. Nobody wants that. Now in addition, this is going to be one of the most comfortable seats you've ever rid on. Plenty perfect for 2 people. This has quite a bit of cushion, a wide design, and you can see that stamped steel right there with the G60 making this a good looking bike. Now, in addition, they've done a stellar job picking out pedals, making sure they have reflectors built in, but not having any issues with spikes that could slip off and hit you in the back of the leg. We've all had that before. We've built in the reflectors here, and then we have a tail light. Let me peel off the plastic on the tail light, but it's got a tail light built into the back to make sure that you are ultra safe. Now, when we look at this from top to bottom, it's a beautiful bike. I love this black. The gear shifter, you can see a premium brand for the gear shifter. The SIS index, 1st through 7th speed. Very nice. Now it does come with keys because you can lock up that battery to keep it safe from harm. And I want to show you, look at this big spring here for off-roading. Even if you're a bigger person, in excess of 250 pounds like myself, you're getting that spring action to where you're not going to feel those bumps. Okay? Now on top of all of that, they've built in the means to test your battery, to lock up your battery, to recharge while it's still connected. You got the LED lights, the on and off to save you energy, and that beautiful brand logo. Again, all right there, easy to access, performance based. Now the LED light, although energy efficient, they've done a great job here with the fact that this LED light looks like a World War II motorcycle. This is just a good looking cat right here, right? In addition, it is extra bright, high lumens, low energy draw, and you can see on the front end of the bike itself, let me back up just a little bit for you. You can see the mud flaps extend here and those big knobby tires, making sure you can get through the worst of conditions. Now I like these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spoked wheels. The safety LEDs, the safety reflectors, but boy, they are nice. Easy to fill pneumatic tires. Very powerful shock absorption system. Unlike anything else in the market, they've just done a great job here. Then with the overall handling, they've got a big LED screen. We've got, see if I can get this on screen, the plus and minus to change the speed, modes, power on and off. You can turn on and off blinkers, headlights, and you even have a horn when this is powered and engaged. So a really smart design here. One of the things understated that the best bikes have gone to is this design on the throttle, because you won't fatigue your hand with a thumb throttle or other throttles. So this is just a great throttle, and you can ride this without ever having to pedal. That's how powerful this guy is here. Now you can see it has the front and rear disc brakes, adjustable, powerful suspension, great for off-roading, great for mountain biking, great for you, great for me. So folks, I do want to show you a little bit more riding action. This thing is absolutely beautiful. I like this flat black finish, doesn't show dirt, looks like a god-dang tank, easy to assemble right out of the box, and from a premier brand that makes some of the most powerful e-bikes on the planet. They've got so many options. It actually smells like a new car. It has that new rubber right here. This smells so good next to it, something you can't show over video. This is just a cool bike that I love and you're gonna love as well. They've personalized it. They've made it simple to control, and that short wheelbase makes it perfect for mountain biking and off-roading, and it's a lot of fun. Personally, I think this is the best looking e-bike that I've had a chance to ride. I think it's one of the best riding e-bikes I've had a chance to ride. And the motors on this with a 1500 watt peak at 20 amp, whoo, that's just pure power. So folks, it looks good, it feels good, it smells good, and it's time to pick one up. At this point in the video, if you haven't already, it's time to go pick one up. A tremendous brand that you're going to be hearing big things from for years to come. Folks, my name is Adam. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. But if you haven't picked up this stupendous bike, if you haven't put it in your cart, if you haven't gotten one yet, it's time to get to shopping. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. But this is the bike for you, and I know it's the bike for me. Go get one. Goodbye, my friends. I love you.